Ethereum just went above $4,000 for the first time in 2025. And also on the CRO chart, we see it firmly going above the 15-cent level. Is this just the beginning for altcoins? Well, guys, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. This video is sponsored by Toadin. Earn rewards by powering smarter shopping with the Cronos chain. If you like crypto and altcoins, nothing gets you more excited than Ethereum breaking through some key levels like today. It briefly went above $4,000 here for one Ethereum. And directly after, we did see a bit of a retracement. That's unfortunate, but also to be expected because $4,000 is a crucial psychological level. Some people might want to take some profit over here. And it makes total sense as well, guys, because don't forget, only like 7 days back, Ethereum was trading at only $3,400. And if you go even further back in the past, in April, we're trading at about $1,400 for one Ethereum. So people are up almost a 3x on their Ethereum. So let them take some profit. Overall, though, I'm super excited, mainly because if you take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is also having a big red day. So even though Bitcoin isn't really performing, Ethereum is. And even, guys, even better, take a look at this V-shaped recovery here. Ethereum is setting a higher high. And if you take a look at the Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin, it isn't even back to 119 or 120. So Bitcoin still has a way to go. So while Bitcoin is not doing anything, Ethereum is making moves. And not only Ethereum, altcoins in general are doing quite well today. Take a look here at the Bitcoin dominance chart, because Bitcoin dominance is probably one of the best indicators to see how the altcoin market is doing. And you can see overall that was setting again some lower highs here, going lower than the candle here on the 14th of July. So guys, it is very much unlike what we've seen earlier. So this, guys, also was looking very promising in November, December of last year. You can see when below this line, but directly after, we had two green massive candles that brought us back here into the Bitcoin dominance range. This time, though, it feels completely different because it does kind of look like Bitcoin dominance wants to drop even lower. And then, guys, we're getting close to a typical altcoin season like what we have seen in 2021, but also here in 2017. And you can also see that a little bit, I would say, already on the Crow Bitcoin chart. So here we do have Crow versus Bitcoin. And it's set here probably a double bottom. And now it's following this W target here. So I do believe that, for example, Crow Bitcoin can go to 0.00002 Bitcoin per Crow. And yes, that would be a big increase, up about 200% for Crow Bitcoin. So that is, guys, the beginning, I would say, of a potential altcoin season. We're not there yet. We're definitely not there yet. But I think this might be the beginning of the true flip. Because you can see once we decide, hey, well, guys, it is altcoin season, things go very, very, very quickly. On the Crow US dollar chart, we also see a big move above the 15-cent level. But let's talk a bit more about Crow after the quick word of today's sponsor. If you like low prices and also cashback, you must love Toadin as well. Earn rewards by powering smarter shopping and look for the lowest price and the best deals with Toadin. And they're also launching their own token, TDN. But what is this token all about? Well, guys, it's going to be used for a shopping pool, spending rewards, governments, but also burns. You can find on the website also a crazy roadmap up until 2028, 2029, but great plans ahead. Guys, check out Toadin in the link in the description down below. Anyways, let's talk some more about the CRO token as well, because what we see here is a V-shaped recovery like what we've seen with Ethereum, because also here we do set a higher high. So it looks very much like what Ethereum is doing, but that makes sense, guys, because typically in this phase of the cycle, Cronos likes to follow Ethereum and not Bitcoin. So a bigger correlation now with Ethereum, and that's very important. But take a look at this, guys. How beautiful is this break above the 15-cent level? We tried it here once, another try here, and also yesterday, we tried to break above the 15-cent level, but in the end, we couldn't close above 15 cents. But now we have seen a big move by Ethereum, and Cronos could follow along. And I think, guys, going to the next targets, we're talking about give or take 17 cents, and the next one will be about 20 cents here. And that really depends on what Ethereum will do. What we've seen in the past that Ethereum has times where it starts to stagnate a bit. Maybe in the coming days, we'll see more stagnation by Ethereum at about the $4,000 level. And that wouldn't be all that bad, because you can see the longer we stay in this formation, the bigger the move can be to the upside as well. And I think Ethereum's bigger move should be the previous all-time high. If we can surpass the previous all-time high for Ethereum, I think it will be full-on altcoin season. But for now, I think we have to wait to see what Ethereum is going to do. Is it going to stay at about the 4,000 range, or will we see further continuation? I personally believe that Ethereum is spring-loaded to go towards the next level, and then we can easily go towards 17 cents. And I think that will be just a quick stop, and we can actually go towards the 20-cent level. But like real short term, I wouldn't be surprised if we go retest the 15-cent level once, because as I mentioned before, now we turned 15 cents into really good support. So if we can actually something like this, I would be a very happy coin baron. And we showed that 15 cent is now actual support and no longer resistance. In the upcoming days, I will mainly be the Ethereum baron, because I think Ethereum will be the best indicator of what is about to come. But in the end, I do believe that Cronos can easily outperform Ethereum, because Ethereum is very close to the previous all-time high, and Cronos still has a long way to go. So potentially, guys, we'll see a big move by Cronos at a faster rate than what we see for Ethereum. So I'm getting very excited, like I mentioned in the beginning. So guys, do not forget to really strap in this part of the bull cycle, and don't forget to hit that like button as well. And if you want to learn more about, for example, the strategic reserve for Cronos and why it might be quite bullish, check out this video to the left of me as well.